guys, Elizabeth here with a bird's eye view of my Walmart beauty box for winter of 2018. This I believe is the one where I said I was like 50 years old. I've got another one coming where I said I was like 20 when I put my age in. I kind of fudged on the year a little bit. They used to have like a, you know, over 35 and under 35. I think they call them classic and trendsetter now, but I still get two. Sometimes they're the same, a lot of times they're different. This says embrace your beauty. You can win a $100 gift card, fill out surveys. I never do that, but I probably should. This is my box for winter. The first thing I have is something I've received before. It's the Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume. I will tell you this, it's a foam conditioner. It does not work for my hair at all. I'll put that in like a giveaway or something. Maybe for someone else's hair type it'll be great. The next thing, I have a Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream foil packet. And also from Cetaphil, I have a Gentle Cleansing Bar. I told my husband I'm almost out of body soap, or you know, the liquid soap I use for my body, and I was like, I always get one in these beauty boxes, and this time I didn't. And then I realized it's because they sent me an actual bar of soap, which my husband will be using because I like body wash. The next item is my Collagen Hydrogel Patch for your lips. I think that's kind of crazy, but it looks interesting. I will definitely use it. A foil packet of 48-hour soothing moisture Nivea aloe vera. I always use all the moisturizers that are in these boxes. I have one Kleenex wet wipes, and I have black charcoal bubble sheet mask. I've never used one before, but I saw Graveyard Girl use one, and it actually like bubbles up on your face. So I don't generally like charcoal anything, but I am going to try the bubbling sheet mask. I have a foil packet of Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer. And rolling across the screen, my makeup item, yay, Maybelline Great Lash. If I've used this before, I don't recall. So that is great that I have a mascara, because I have, like the one I'm using now, I got from a different beauty box. Probably shouldn't be saying that. And so when that one is used up, I have no other mascara. So I'm definitely going to be trying this Maybelline Great Lash. And it's in Very Black, so that's cool. I also have some papers. No coupons. It's a Nivea paper, Cetaphil paper, no coupons. What's up with no coupons? A Great Lash paper, a Pantene paper. So I'm glad we got a makeup item, but pretty much foil packet. And I mean, I will use all my foil packets because they're moisturizers and stuff like that. Foil packet, moisturizer, a bubble sheet mask, a Kleenex wet wipe. I'm not sure where I will put this to use it. I'm going to say the car, but I think the other wet wipes I got I put in the car, but who knows? I'll probably put it in the car. Another foil packet moisturizer from Nivea. The Cetaphil Cleansing Bar Soap that my husband will definitely use. I will use the Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. The Collagen Lip Mask. My lips are fine, but I'm going to use it anyway. The Pantene Volumizing Foam Conditioner that did not work for my hair type. Like I said, it's thin and fine, and it just didn't work. And the Maybelline Great Lash. So that's it for my winter Walmart beauty box. When I get my one for the 20-year-old, I will show that too at a later date. And thanks for watching. Sorry I'm off camera. I just wanted to do this real quickly because I'm running out of time. Talk with you guys later. Bye.